Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off Do Not Disturb focus mode on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off just swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to bring up the control center, and now right here you can easily find the focus. You can just touch and hold on it to show up that options. That will show you in that condition, and right here you can simply tap at Do Not Disturb to activate this mode, and also right here you can tap on it again to turn it off. Also you can hit at this three dots icon to expand it, and now you can enable Do Not Disturb mode for 1 hour until this evening, until I leave this location, it says home right here, and until the end of this event. Now you see that from 8 to 12 it's set to work. So I'm actually working right now, and I can check mark until the end of this event to enable Do Not Disturb mode while I'm working. Also, right from here you can easily turn off Do Not Disturb mode just by hitting right here. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.